Did you receive the Survivor.io game update at the end of last year and are unsure how to convert shards? I'll show you how in this video. First, open the game on your phone. Then, go to the screen where your selected hero is displayed. Tap on the Survivor's icon. If you're familiar with this game, you know that only S-grade shards can be converted. So, select a hero like Master Yang, Natalia, or Joey. Next, click on the Enhance button. Go to the Upgrade tab. The Shard Conversion button will be displayed in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it. Now, I have 6 Panda shards and 19 Natalia shards, and I want to convert all the Natalia shards into Panda shards. For the shards you wish to convert into another hero's shards, click the minus button next to the hero's name several times. These shards will be saved as unallocated. Then, simply click the plus button next to the desired hero to increase their shard count. I'll convert all 19 into Panda shards. And that's it. You can convert shards as needed. Now just click on Convert button and you are done. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe to our channel.